I'm going to arrange this place. This is very messy. The plants are disorganized. We want to do some decoration to it. Once we are finished with the decoration, then I will show you again. Maybe in the meanwhile, I show you how we are going to do it. Okay, dear. The space is almost empty. Now I'm cutting the grass. After cutting the grass, we will rearrange the whole space and we show you stepwise how we are going to do it. Alright, the cutting has been done. This is how it looks like. We had some pellets outside the house and we just made use of it. These were just thrown away basically. So we are going to paint it soon after this. Now we are going to paint it, almost ready. In few minutes it will be all painted hopefully. We are going to paint only the visible part of it, where we keep the plants that we don't do. This is how it looks like now, the final piece. Still need to be arranged. There are so many polythene bags which need to be transplanted into plant pots, and the pots we need to purchase again for it. So we see afterwards how it looks like, but for the time being it looks like that. So the whole day we spend on it. Thanks for watching.